remember you've been watching out for all the news flows that we've been sharing with you on how SMBC has been consistently acquiring more and more stake in Yes Bank. Now SMBC has completed initial acquisition of 20% stake in Yes Bank. It has signed a definitive agreement to get additional 4.2% stake from CA Basque Investments, that's Carlyle Investments, and in the near term, Morgan Stanley has still given an underweight rating, given the view of a gradual recovery in profitability and not an immediate one. But, we've seen that this stock has been a wealth destroyer of the past, but many investors who've still been holding through all these years with patience that someday the tides will turn, someday the fortunes will turn. Now that there is slowly and gradually a move on, a new player entering into the management space, how are you looking at Yes Bank? Is there an opportunity for those who may be still looking at a long-term outlook on Yes Bank?
Yes, actually, you have made a valid point. And what we quote, there is a famous quote which we have created on this: easy to get in, difficult to get out. So in a stocks like Yes Bank, in a stocks like Idea, in a stocks like JP Associates or any small ticket source, it is easy to get in, difficult to get out. Now, there are two ways how you should approach this. First of all, I have Yes Bank bought at 50, 33, 35, whatever, right? What should I do? The only thing which you should do is please wait patiently. Don't try to average out the stock. This is the biggest mistake which the retail investors are making. The first thing is that do not average out any stock which have, fall down by 50, 60, 70% in your portfolio. Second thing, when the tide is turning, if you're a high risk trader, if you want to get into the game, if you do not have a simple philosophy of following the strict stop loss, please don't get into the stocks. So to all the viewers, for stocks like Idea or any low ticket size stocks, high beta stocks, if you want to participate, there are two kind of mindset with which you should approach. First, with a strict stop loss discipline, which is rare to follow. And second, if you are stuck at a high level, wait patiently. Once the tide is turning, once your prices will come, you sell it off and again succeed. The third point is that you don't always think that you recover every loss. I mean, if I stuck up at 35 in Yes Bank, and if even 30, 32 comes in, I should book partial loss and get out of it. I mean, never ever try to understand that the market will give you an opportunity to fully recover your loss. Somewhere you'll have to take that pinch of 5 or 10%. And if you do that, remember that at 100 rupees, if you're stuck up, at 80 rupees, if you're booking a loss of 20 rupees, 80 is now your capital in your hand, which you can deploy very well somewhere else and recover the 20 rupees. So don't make a habit of recovering everything from a single stock.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.